Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Very good. Today, we are going to talk about some pets we have in the daycare. Every classroom has their own ones. So, what do we have here, guys?
Worms.
What kind of worms?
Compost worms.
Compost worms. What do we use them for?
I know. We're making flowers with the compost.
We grow flowers with the compost.
And vegetables and fruits.
And trees and fruits. Okay.
And vegetables.
How do the worms make the compost?
Poop. The worms poop and then the compost come.
I see.
They eat a little bit apples and make a little bit more compost.
They eat a little bit of apple. Okay.
But yesterday they eat a little bit and
they make, okay. Okay. So,
today we are reading.
So, today look what we found when we took the worm. Our compost worm. Yes, there is a worm there. Let's look this. We found out that it's too wet. You see? Is it too wet?
Yes.
Do you want to touch it?
Yes.
Okay, let me give you a little bit. Here.
Yeah, it's super wet.
Is it super wet?
Yeah. Look,
it's
very
wet.
Look like muddy.
It's like mud.
Look.
Be careful, don't squish it too much. We don't know if there's a worm there. So, what do you think we can do to dry it out? It got too wet. What do you think we can do?
And it will go like this when it's so much wet.
But what do you think we can do to dry it out?
We can put somewhere in the oven and then it will dry and dry. I want to
in the oven. Okay, so now that we know that the soil is too wet, our compost is too wet, what can we do to dry it out?
Put it in a so hot place.
Are you sure that's what we talked about?
No. We can put it somewhere where it's dark and hot. We can give some cardboard and put it somewhere where it's dark and hot.
We don't put it. Those are very good ideas because the heat will dry it out. We are going to try and give them some cardboard. Put some cardboard that will absorb some of the moist. And we are not going to give them water for a while.
Yes. Because it's going to dry and then we give water.
So can you break the cardboard in small pieces?
I want some
small
cardboard.
Pieces.
This is super easy.
Small pieces.
Do you mean this small?
No. Yes, for example, and we put it in there.
This is a little bit hard. Is this much okay?
That's good.
Yeah. Very.
We're using some egg carton. I think we have enough, Ajay. Do you want some more?
Yes.
I'm giving you this much.
And I want also more. And I will want more when I'm ready.
But I think it's enough because look, they still have some cardboard there, but it's already super wet.
Yes.
For the babies. So do worms also eat cardboard?
Yes.
So do they make compost also out of the cardboard?
Yeah. Yes. We can be for the little baby. I want to.
No, it's better if they are big. It's better if they are big so they get more of the moist.
This much.
That's good, Sayan. Very good.
And
we need some help.
Do you want this big?
Yes, like that.
It better be this big.
Okay. What other things do we give our compost worms to eat?
Apples.
Apples. What else?
Banana.
Banana.
Kiwi.
Apple. Peel. We have never tried kiwi. We can try. Maybe they like kiwi.
Oh, we don't know.
We don't know yet.
I said
Can I tell you something? I gave them some tomato and they like it. They ate all the tomatoes. Do we give them something to drink as well?
water.
Water? Okay.
Water.
Juice?
No.
No, we only give them water.
Why not
But
juice?
are we going to give them water soon to our worms? No, we found out it's too moist, so we are going to wait until it dries out a little bit before we give them some more water. Also, do they like the sunshine?
No.
So, where do we put the box with the worms? So where do we keep
In a
them?
dark place. No cold, no sunshine. They don't like only middle.
Also, they don't like very cold weather or very warm weather.
So they like only middle.
Something in between. Something in between.
It should be 20
And-
degrees.
And 20 degrees is a very good temperature. And one question I have for you. What are we going to grow?
Carrot.
Carrots? Flowers?
Green chili.
Green onion?
And
Tell me, Sophia. Broccoli, that's the green onion, yes?
and what we are going to grow the carrot.
Carrots. So we are going to grow a lot of veggies that we are going to eat for snack.
And tomato.
Yes.
And green
And now,
onion.
this is all about our worms. We are not going to show you one of them because they don't like to be bothered. They are there. We have a lot of small baby worms
But
at
sorry.
the moment. We have them there. We don't bother them. We let them be.
There is
They are
no
in their-
daddy and mommy worms.
They are in their homes now. And thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And
And
don't subscribe to our YouTube channel. What is the name?
Albatross Daycare.
Okay.
Can we?
Bye bye.
Bye